Okay, I have a noise rattling kind of sound under my car, and I think it's on the driver's side, but I'm not sure what it is. I need some help. I'm gonna start the car. 6-speed. And it only happens while on load, like in first gear, second gear, third gear, reverse, but it doesn't happen while I'm driving at a constant speed. Only when I just first shift gears. But here it is. I'm gonna put it in reverse. And this is what it sounds like. I'm gonna hold the brakes. It only happens when you let the clutch go off a little bit. Alright, turning off the car.